What up, y'all? It's your boy Ignit. Today we're going to talk about reverb. Reverb is the reflection noise that you hear when your sound is in a space, basically. So it's like in an auditorium, your voice will sound different than it would in a bedroom. But reverb in both instances is just the sound signal bouncing off of the walls in the environment that it's in. Got it? Cool. Now, one very important component, especially with using digital reverbs, is pre-delay. Pre-delay is basically going to tell you how far whatever is generating the signal is from a wall. So if it's my voice, if it's a snare, if it's a clap, shit, if it's a fart, the amount of time before it hits a wall and then begins to reflect that sound is pre-delay. Today we're going to use a snare. You'll notice as I continue to change the pre-delay, increase the pre-delay, that the snare begins to sound like it's further and further away from the wall. Check it out.